Okay, this is a review for the linking verb, helping verb, and preposition portion of the quiz tomorrow. You will probably be asked to list the 8 main linking verbs, which, as you know, are am, are, is, is, was, were, be, been, and being. You will not be asked to list all 23 helping verbs, but you will be asked to identify them in sentences. So it's important for you to know that the 8 linking verbs can also be helping verbs. So they are included also in the list of 23 helping verbs, in addition to the others: can, could, will, would, shall, should, do, does, did, may, might, must, has, have, had. Down below, when you are being asked to find prepositional phrases, it's important to first find the prepositions, and you will have a list of them up on the board for the quiz tomorrow. The prepositions are against and for, in, toward, and at in this paragraph. But I asked you to find the whole, I asked you to just find the prepositions, but I want you to also, on the quiz, find the whole prepositional phrase. So you ask yourself, against what? Against the ground. For what? 4 miles. In what? In her throat. Toward what? Toward the horizon. At what? At the white land. Oh, I'm sorry, and up here it's not just 4 miles, it's for miles and miles. Then I asked you to identify any linking or helping verbs. So if you look at the first sentence, the verb pounded is an action verb, so we don't need to identify that one. In the second sentence, the verb was is a linking verb. It links ice to the adjective hard, and it's not with an action verb, which makes it a linking verb. Also in this sentence is the verb felt, which is an action, so we don't have to worry about that one. In this sentence, the verb was is a linking verb because it links expanse to endless, and it's not with an action verb, so it's linking. In this sentence, could is a helping verb. Why? Because it is with the action verb see. It helps out see. Spread is an action verb, so we don't have to label it. Again, in this one, could is a helping verb, and it helps the action hide. I know they're not right next to each other, but in a question, sometimes the helping verb and action verb get separated. Stare is an action, so we don't have to identify that one. Understood is an action. We don't have to identify that one. Was, though, is a helping verb because it's helping out the action verb saying. Finally, were is a linking verb because it is linking they to the adjective alone, and it's not with any other verb.